If you're going to any Arab country, then you will need to introduce yourself in Arabic, like saying your name, education, job, country, and that's what I'm going to teach you today. Also, I have attached a link in the description with a free PDF of everything that we talk about in this video. So go to the description box, download the link, and keep everything that we talked about today, so whenever you need it, you'll have it on your cell phone. Now, enough with the introduction. My name is Abdurrahman. You can call me Abdu. I am your Egyptian friend, and let's start right away. Number one, your name. If you'd like to say that my name is X, you say ismi and your name. Ismi. Ism means name, and E is a pronoun, means me. So it's like the name of me is Abdurrahman. Ismi Abdurrahman. Number two, your age. In English, you say I am 20 years old or like 40 years. But in Arabic, we say my age is 20 years, 30 years. عمري 20 سنة or عمري 30 سنة. So عمر means age, and E is the pronoun of me. So the age of me is, and you say the number. عمري. عمري. Another way of saying your age is saying عندي 30 سنة. عندي means I have. So I have 30 years. This is how we say it in Arabic. So to say your age, you can say عمري and then the number, or عندي and then the number. عمري 30 سنة. عندي 30 سنة. Number three, your education. If you're a graduate of a certain school, you say تخرجت من. تخرجت من. تخرجت من. تخرجت من. تخرجت من means I graduated from. Min means from. تخرجت means I graduated. And then you say your school or your university or whatever. So for example, تخرجت من كلية التجارة. تخرجت من مدرسة الهندسة. تخرجت من كلية العلوم. And by the way, in the comments you can tell me your age and the name of the school that you've been to, and I tell you how we say it in Arabic. Number four, your job. And this one is very, very easy. You can say أنا and then you say your job. For example, أنا محاسب, like I am an accountant. أنا مدرس, I am a teacher. Or another way, you can say أعمل, it means I work as. أعمل, and then you say مهندسا, مدرسا, I work as an engineer, I work as a teacher. So to talk about your job, you can say أنا and then your job, or أعمل and then your job. So easy. Number five, where you're from. So you say أنا من and then your country. For example, أنا من مصر, I am from Egypt. أنا من الولايات المتحدة, I am from the United States. أنا من and then your country. And also leave me your country in the comments. I'll tell you how we say your country in Arabic. Number six, your hobbies. To talk about your hobbies, you need to say أحب and then your hobby. So أحب means I like or I love and then your hobby. Sometimes you can say هوايتي and then your hobby, like my hobby is and then your hobby. So هوايتي القراءة, my hobby is reading. هوايتي الجري, my hobby is jogging. هوايتي كرة القدم, my hobby is football. So to talk about your hobby, you can say أحب, I like القراءة, reading, or هوايتي القراءة, my hobby is reading. Number seven, if you're introducing yourself to someone, that means that you meet this person for the first time. So you probably need to say that you are happy to meet him. Like in English, Abdurrahman, pleasure to meet you. So the way to say pleasure to meet you in Arabic is سعدت بمعرفتك. سعدت بمعرفتك. سعدت means I became happy. بمعرفتك means to know you, like I became happy to know you. سعدت بمعرفتك. سعدت بمعرفتك. That was it for today. Of course, this is all according to the modern standard Arabic, not according to any dialect. If you'd like me to repeat the same video using Egyptian Arabic, please let me know in the comments. I'll make the same video in the Egyptian Arabic. Now, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and the bell button. I'm going to make other videos soon, and give me a like on the way. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.